over here at a Flying J. We're heading over to the cat scale. We're going to weigh this bad boy. Haven't done that yet. We got all kinds of craziness going on here. I got a truck behind me, so I got to move quickly here. So, get this stupid screen recording button. There we go. Alright, so open up our cat scale, weigh my truck. Okay, location 16771. Confirm. Okay, next. Okay, there we go, 18,480 pounds. I'm out of here because there's a semi behind me. So we're going to move on and out. So that's how it is, easy it is to weigh your RV. Now, how do I get out of here?
Turn left, then turn left.
All right. So that's all set and done. Put my glasses back on. That wraps up weighing a scale, so not too hard. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.